Turkestan is one of the most ancient cities in Central Asia, the history of which stretches back into the depths of millennia. Here in the capital of the Kazakh Khanate, in the fateful times of history, important decisions were made regarding the future of the entire nation. Near the mausoleum of Khoja Ahmeda Yasawi, built by Emir Timur in the 14th century, ancient history rises as if from sand and dust.
It's clear, as this is a World Heritage Monument, we have the highest demands according to international level of ICOMOS and UNESCO as the institutions to protect your sites, to deal with them.
Metre by metre, centimetre by centimetre, archaeologists have found unique artefacts. Among them there is a treasure of jewellery dating from the Kangai era. Bronze coin of the Kushan king Huvishka dated to the middle of the 2nd century. Of particular note are the alabaster human idols found on the floor among coal and fragments of vessels. The mission conducted by the Institute is very important for science. It is concentrated not only to create an archaeological park here, which would be of interest to a wide mass of tourists, but first of all to show the history of the entire city, an integral part of which is the mausoleum of Khoja Ahmeda Yasawi.
So the concept is quite interesting. It's something that has been applied actually already successfully in other sites and World Heritage sites, such as Pompeii in Italy or Petra in Jordan.
From above, Kultobe looks majestic. Grandiose conservation and restoration work began here in 2019. Later, here will be created an archaeological park museum in the open air. Never in its long history the land sacred to every Turkic has not experienced such rapid and intensive transformations as it does today. Kultobe is currently the most important archaeological site in Kazakhstan. Each person must come to study the story from start to finish. This holy land had a special role both in ancient times and today.